Eating the stems from the chonggak kimchi, for me anyway, it's kind of like eating, it's thick, it's a little chewy, it's kind of like eating a very wet grass part of a salad, if you can imagine such a thing.
I can understand that. I have tried eating the stems myself, but
Yeah.
not my favorite part.
I think for me, each time when I eat the chonggak kimchi and I reach for the stems, I think to myself, no, you don't like that. And then I eat it and I think, it's pretty good. You get used to it. Mm-hmm. How about something like oiji?
Oiji, I enjoy oiji. I love the saltiness of it.
It's very salty. I like to make it, but I like to make it a little bit extra spicy. Kimchi. Yeah, kimchi is a great part of any meal, except for breakfast. I know. A lot of people do eat kimchi for breakfast, but for me, I think it kind of just is too garlicky.
It's pretty strong to be a breakfast meal, but also very common.
It is common. I think I prefer kimchi in the evening. Maybe, what about you? Do you eat kimchi in the morning?
Sometimes I do.
I see.
It's mostly a lunch or dinner side dish for me as well.
Yeah, I agree. Oh, all right, good. Well, do you make kimchi?
I don't make kimchi. Once in a while, it'll be like a big family gathering where we do make kimchi.
Oh, you like kimjang?
Yes.
Winter kimchi.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So how do you get your kimchi?
Mostly I buy it at the market.
Good question. How do you get your kimchi? In this sentence, how would I say this in Korean? How do you get your kimchi?
김치를 어떻게 구하세요?
김치를
어떻게
어떻게
구하세요?
구하세요. Isn't
But
that
not
save?
as in save. How do you procure your kimchi?
How do you procure?
Yes.
How do you get? So how do you get your kimchi? 김치를 어떻게 구하세요?
Yes.
I see. And you buy kimchi.
Most of the times, yes.
I'm very lucky. Sometimes I receive kimchi as a gift, which I appreciate very much. Also, there is a little side dish shop, a little banchan kage, that I go to, and the ladies who work there, they like me enough to really treat me well, so they give me a little extra sometimes. I like to get their kimchi.
That's very lucky.
Yeah. Well, we know kimchi is a probiotic, isn't it?
I believe so, yes.
Kimchi, probiotic like yogurt. Do you know any of the probiotics?
I believe there are several dairy products that have very good qualities for your stomach.
Yeah. Yogurt, kimchi.